In today's video, we'll be learning how to use Logically's Fund Screener to sort and filter out by sector exposure. We've done a couple other videos around market cap exposure, asset class exposure, and even filtering down by index provider. But to be able to filter down by sector exposure can be a little confusing, and Logically's Fund Screener allows you to do that. As a reminder, we preset you to security categories of exchange traded product with a display currency in the US, and we preset you to around 12,900 funds with the ability to change and customize your views, which you see here, and your filters. So to be able to get to sector exposure, you want to be able to come on down to classifications, where you can see fund subfocus, fund focus, primary country exposure, and equity sector exposure. So if you wanted to be able to focus on US traded industrials, consumer discretionary, or energy, you can select any one of these. So for, let's say, for technology, US primary country exposure, equity sector technology, we're going to be able to hit apply. And we haven't specifically chosen a market cap, so it'll give us all large, small, mid, and micro. And we'll get to see across development level, developed, emerging, frontier, mixed, blend, or developed markets. And again, we have 12,900 that we were preset to that we'll be able to filter down to about 1,011 funds. Really, really powerful to be able to narrow down not only your sector exposure, the country you want to be able to look at, but also just the security category and a whole host of other key metrics that might be of use to you. Just a reminder, if you'd like a deeper dive on anything that you've seen, don't hesitate to reach out to Manny the chat box and speak to a member of our sales team or our customer success team. We hope this was helpful, and please remember to continue to think logically. Have a great day.